In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the star feature in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this functionality can become an essential part of your creative toolkit. So let's dive in and explore how you can take full advantage of this feature to streamline your design process. First off, make sure you're logged into Canva and have your design projects ready. This feature is especially helpful if you're working on multiple projects or trying to organize your creative ideas efficiently. Visualize your Canva dashboard where all your recent designs are laid out, just like a gallery of your creativity. Imagine hovering your mouse over any project that catches your eye or one that you're particularly proud of. You might notice as your cursor glides over your design, a series of options appear. This is your gateway to ensuring the design remains easily accessible. Now direct your attention towards the top right corner of this design thumbnail. Sitting there is a small star icon, unassuming yet powerful in its functionality. Clicking this star is what marks the design as a favorite. This action essentially serves as your personal bookmark, allowing you to quickly reference or find your most valued designs. It's the equivalent of giving it a gold star, a nod to its significance, making it a standout amidst a sea of creative works. Why is this helpful, you might wonder? Well, the star feature is instrumental in managing your projects, especially when your folder starts swelling with numerous designs. Using it helps you categorize and highlight the projects you want to prioritize or return to with ease. It's also a great tool for collaborators, enabling them to see which designs are currently in the spotlight or require immediate attention. One more point worth noting is that these starred designs will be conveniently accessible under a dedicated section in your Canva dashboard. Think of it as your personal highlight reel, or a curated gallery of your best or most critical work, there whenever you need to share it with a client or fellow creative. As you utilize the star feature more frequently, you'll find that it progressively builds a portfolio of your favorite pieces. Over time, you can see patterns of your evolving style, projects that consistently capture your interest, or notice what types of works bring the most satisfaction in your creative journey. And there you have it. By hovering over and starring your designs in Canva, you are not just organizing but also enhancing the functionality of your workspace. This feature is more than just a simple tool, it's a way to bring the most important aspects of your design efforts to the forefront. So next time you're in Canva, give it a try and let this nifty feature streamline and highlight your creative pursuits. Thank you for joining me and happy designing.